Hello and welcome to my earlier student. Today I'm going to talking about one of the most important aspect in our science book. Before we have covered already the syllabus of geography and geology and chemistry. Now that means today I'm going to discuss important things that mainly covered in physics. Okay, dear student, you know how much important is physics is very I mean, we are not giving that much of like own understanding to get physics, to get the knowledge of physics, right? I can say physics is everywhere, of course. And before the last two classes, we have discussed about all these things that covered in our science syllabus. And I already told you all that it is not only the cases where we are mentally prepared for the board exam. Okay, we are here to grasp the knowledge of simple things that why I study this all this topic, and that's specifically called as a science book, right? Okay, so last time I have talked about the like biology and where we discuss some of the topic that if you have seen that already, then I hope okay you have you have got some idea that exactly what it yes or no. I mean, when it comes to science, then we have so many pressure and stress as well, and we okay don't even think exactly this is the same topic what I just covered in the language and no, SST, yes or no, all right. Okay, so if you have not seen that two lectures, so I request you all just understand by watching that, which is not much more big video. So you can go and simple, you can watch that. All right. Okay. Okay. So what is the main important thing to understand physics syllabus is basically it is covered some of the outside phenomena. Right. What is that? This outside phenomena. If I'm say light, okay, and basically we get it from the electricity or in from sun. And when it comes from electricity or sun, it doesn't matter. We have used a simple term that is only light. And why it is so? Is that light having the characters? That means which kind of characters? It is reflection and refraction. Right. So these two character totally define that we it means how we see our surrounding, how we distinguish the different color of objects. Without light, it can't be possible. I mean, how is it happened? Due to only for the reflection and refraction, nothing else. Only these two phenomena, which is seems to very easy. Reflection mean it is, I can say the amount of light that strike upon the surface and it getting again that means reflect back, reverse back. All right, and this is the reflection. In the same concept, I can say the refraction where when it strike and the some amount of light are reflected back, yeah, reverse back, and some amount of light are not reverse back as that absorbed by the surface And if that surface are transparent or not, this is also doesn't matter. If that transparent, then the rays will try to going inside that surface. And if that not transparent, then also rays try to going inside. Why? Even though we are not able to see, as the some amount of light are observing, and that observing cases are the main important concept to understand the refraction. All right. Do you get it, my friend? Okay. So the important idea that I want to tell you everything all detailsly. Okay, physics is not what we think already about a science, but it is somehow one of the important topic. Okay, so if you have any doubts, then you definitely write your doubts in the comment section. I will definitely take all of your query. And before that, I want to say, if you have not say or watched already the two videos that related to geography syllabus and I'm sorry. Just before that, I was that mean okay. I was reading geography. That's why I'm okay talking about geography again and again. But that's not geology. Mean the biology section and chemistry. I have talked already, so you can go and watch that. Okay. So listen one thing. Hmm. Physics mean basically the outer phenomena. Yeah, outer world phenomena. Okay, fine. Then light. This is also a outside phenomena. All right. And how it relate with us? It relate with us. Okay, to help see an object. Not only this, but also helps to make food in tree. Right. Okay. So, but now in this topic, we are not going to talk about how that light made food. Yeah, light helps to make food of leaf in a tree. But here, when we are talking about physics aspect, the main understanding level is to be focused on reflection and refraction. And I already talked about it, how it happened, and how this one is also happened. And this two phenomena will say that mean are like saying you what kind of object that now okay in our around sorry in your around. How is it? Definitely the big question will come. And you know how much important. I mean, whenever you are going to talk about our five senses, then the eye is the most one of the I can say. Mean without eye, it's somehow something we have not able to be feel. We have not able to think of specific conditions, whether that might be sad or happy. Then definitely we can place it as the first priority senses among the five one. Right. Mm. Only having eye is not important. Now you understand is there must be light, and that light helps you to find what kind of object around you and which color they have. Right. Okay. Okay. So this phenomena is totally governed with a concept, and that is light. And light having two basic character in case of outside world to see an object, and that is only the reflection and refraction. Okay. So when students are going to talking about the refraction, they might like sorry feeling very difficult. Why? Mean when refraction will come, they only taught, yeah, they only understand about the transparent material. Okay, they only understand about the transparent material. But I can say what without a transparent, I mean non-transparent material as well, experiencing some of the refraction. Right. Mean if I'm say soil, okay, if I'm say like my body itself, and when I stand and outside, the sun rays are coming to strike upon my body, and some amount is reflect back and some amount is observing my body. Then when it observed that I unable to see. Why I'm not unable to see? Due to the non-transparent that the object myself. But when it like glass, okay, yes, definitely any transparent material. When that light are going into, when that light shows the refractions character, then we are able to see that, right? Mean here is the two things that happened with us. Reflection is somehow which is shown first. After that, the refraction which is come next. देखो, you might all confused right now. Yes, look at that. Okay, just try to remember the same concept what I'm teaching you. Like just before some time, I discuss everything. I mean, yes or no? So, my dear friend, if I have this glass, right, and this glass helps me to see the things around me. How it is possible? Due to the light are passing through it. All right, and when this light are passing through it, mean why we need? Even though your eye also what or like an organ which helps to capture the light. Yes, sir. But question yourself, eye is not transparent. This glass is also not this glass is transparent. So the reason behind this is when light absorbing, then we able to see the things. Sorry, when light observing and then it reflect back, then we are able to see the things. Right? Okay, fine. Then why I need, even though the reflection character will helps me to see the object, then why I need refraction then? Okay, definitely there will be the most important question everyone's you should have asked this. Okay, only reflection helps to see, then why we go for a refraction medium? Yeah, feel this kind of characters we must have in case of light, and we have discussed already that the basic two concept of light, that is reflection and refraction, right? When light strike upon a leaf, we are not able to see how it passes, but we are able to see, we are able to feel that when we like toss that leaf, it heated somehow, means hotness telling you the light, some amount of light are observing itself and some amount is going outside. Okay, if I'm say the same thing that in geography, which is say albedo. Okay, if you have this uh, any kind of material right now, you just go and search albedo, then definitely we will come to know what is it, right? Okay. So only refraction will helps me to see the things around me. Then the question here is to going again for the next character, which is the refraction. Why? And this the answer of this question is, my dear friends, let me change the all right pen color so you will able to see easily. Look, so question comes why? Okay, yeah. Let me take one of the free space. Just wait for a while. Yeah. Okay. Reflection. Sorry, it is not equal, but refraction. Okay. Reflection. Suppose this is Okay, tree, or I'm standing here. Okay, then this is sun. Rays are coming to strike. Okay, and these rays are going everywhere with a certain angle. All right, and some amount of light we are able to catch in, and hence we say yes, this is a tree. Okay, but what I'm saying here, some amount of light. Right. This is a very important concept that I'm trying to everyone. Sorry, I'm trying to understand everyone. Please concentrate over here. Okay, you will really experience the reality of this light topic that basically teaching in our school for the 10th class student. Right. What I'm saying, some amount. Then how some amount? If I'm stand in front of this tree, then the most part of the tree I'm able to see only one side, not the back side. Why? As the back lights are going not coming not to my directions where I'm stand, not come towards me, right? It going according to that angle formed with that surface where light what, okay, that we can say incident rays, which is having the incident angle as well. That same amount of angle it will reflect back again. Right. Okay. This is the one reason that, and this is, and that's why we are able to see some amount, sorry, some site, not everywhere, but not like what we are basically talking about is 3D. Yes or no? We are not able to see in the whole part of the tree by standing in front of this. Right. Okay. Then let me come to another example, which is a wall. Wall that now I'm sitting here. Yet I'm able to see this wall. Right. If you are in home right now, you also take an example where like sitting right now and the same thing. All right. Suppose I am sitting here. Okay, and this is me. All right. Uh, okay. Let me make this very, you know, I'm not a good artist, but still I'm trying. Okay. Suppose I'm sitting over here. Okay. And when I see this wall with the help of light, then the some amount of light from the electric bulb will come. Like this. Yes or no? Yes or no? Definitely yes. But the same thing if I'm trying with a mirror that placed in this wall, that hang in this wall, then this mirror will helps me to see that how I'm look like. Yes or no? That mirror will helps me to see that how I'm look like. Okay. You never questioned that. How is it happened? Have you ever questioned? No. Why? That means the same thing that I'm trying to understand you before 5 to 10 minutes is that the amount of light depend on the surface, and that surface will determine whether how much amount of light your eye will receive. Right? That means if I'm talking on the basis of the quantity, look, here is 100 number of photon. Okay, fine. Mean 100 number of light rays. Understand? And yeah, let us see with a simple example. Uh, with sorry. Yeah. So 100 number of electron they comes from the sun and strike upon this wall, and when they reflect back, then only I receive the 50% of electrons. I mean 50 number of electrons, right? It comes 100, but receive 50 electron. I'm talking about the a specific place. Fine. Whether I'm going to compare the whether I'm going to compare the characters of the reflection and refraction at a timely, and that's why I'm trying to understand you. Why a wall will not able to see my face? I mean, why it not helps to see my face? Instead of that, I can see easily when if that medium having like mirror. If any transparent medium, देखो ट्रांसपेरेंट मीडियम में अब तक नहीं बोला क्योंकि ट्रांसपेरेंट मीडियम के बारे में जब हम बात करेंगे तो वहां पे रिफ्रैक्शन वाला जो कंसेप्ट है वो ज्यादातर इस्तेमाल होगा. ओके. हाँ. लिसन. And 50 electron are strike upon my eye. Yeah, but where I'm just trying to see, then I only able to see the wall, right? And now you have the question, sir, why it is happened? Yes, as the wall surface is not smooth. Whether it looks smooth, but whenever you are going to observe very strictly, then you will notice some of the ups and downs as a rough. And this small amount of changes will change the light या फिर reflected light angle. All right. Mean it is somehow bougie. Yes or no? Suppose this is look, this is that wall where you can understand the light will comes to strike over here, then this going this side. And then if strike upon here, then this going this side. Mean a disturbance. But out of this disturbance, if I'm standing over here, then I only able to see 50 rays. Yeah, 50 rays. But it comes 100 number of rays from the sun. To find particular, to see particular this region, then if I get 50 rays, then definitely I will see, yes, this is a wall, but I will not able to see my face on this wall. Right? And that is why the number of ray itself determine why you, how you looks your face, while in case of mirror not in wall. Okay. Then again, just hang a mirror on the same positions. 100 number of rays will come to strike over here, and 100 number of rays also strike to your eye. जितना आया उतना ही तुम्हें भी देखने को मिला. एंड वही रीजन होता है कि हम एक ऑब्जेक्ट में अपने फेस को हम देख पा रहे हैं. ऑलराइट. डू यू गेट इट माय पॉइंट माय डियर फ्रेंड्स? यस और नो? मीन light helps to find everywhere, sorry, helps to know every object having a different color themselves. But it is not only that phenomena also. The cases is here is to why. Yes or no? And the why answer is that if sun helps me to send 100 number of rays to see the particular object, and it first strike upon that object, then the reflected ray will come to strike in my eye, then I am able to see. Okay, this much is fine. But why not you are able to see the face like mirror? When you use mirror to see your face clearly, the reason is that these surface are not smooth, the surface are rough, and due to that rough cases, the number of rays strike upon that wall will going like here and there. Okay, and out of that we are hardly try to get some of the rays, and that ray only helps to see that object, not our face. But when I placed a mirror over here, the number of rays coming to strike and the number of rays that I got equal. Mean 100 rays that sent by the sun, and I also received that 100 rays to strike out from that object. Then definitely I will see my face over there. Right? Do you get it my point? And this is also depend upon the smoothness. And that's why mirror is helps to find us that how it looks like. Okay, yes or no? Right. That means any kind of object around us are all having a definite surface, and that surface are not smooth. Sorry, that surface are in smooth or in rough. And if you see that rough Y as there, we are not able to see our face. And if you see the smooth, okay, then you can say yes, that surface having, sorry, if you see your face, then definitely you can say that surface having the smooth natures. All right, that means any kind of material, suppose if I'm say a tray, a steel made tray, and if you say like some of the, like spoon as well, you will notice one thing, that your face somehow will visible on that surface. How is it? Can you do this? But why not perfectly? As the number of rays are sent by sun, okay, are not strike again to catch up your eye on the sun equal amount. Whether this is suppose a spoon, my dear friends, and if I'm trying to see, I mean this is the spoon. Suppose if I'm hold like this, and if I'm trying to see that this is my face, but I'm not able to see properly, as 100 number of rays coming to strike upon here, hardly I got 80 number of rays. And the 80 number of rays is also helps me to see my face, but not in very clearly. When it become clearly, if you receive the 100 number of rays again. Still you have the question, sir, how is it possible, as the surface is also having the smooth? Still you are not see properly yourself, your size, your any kind of that what we like basically feel in the small plane mirror. The reason is, although this surface is rough, but this figure is like a sphere where lights are, you know, coming with a certain angle, that incident angle. Also, they reflect back with the same angle. And out of this, I'm trying to catch up the most of the light, most of the rays. But in case of the world, it is not happening. All right. Okay. Okay. So this is the first case where we understand the basic things, that how it help us, and what kind of phenomena are going on inside the light cases. All right. Okay. Okay. Then let me close this class within. Acha, okay. So in my side there is some of the technical issue. So if you uh, like after some time I will wind up this class, and hope to just adjust right now. The next time I will try to manage everything. All right. Okay. As I'm newly start this session, to feel exactly what is science, and also science is not for specific one. It is for everyone. This is my uh, sorry, this is our channel's identity. Yes or no? Science is also like a subject like history, geography, and language paper. It's not like a pressure. It's not like somehow which is different. All right. Okay. Okay. So again, look at here. If you understand everything, then you are able to see that object. You no need to see everywhere your face. Yes or no? All right. Still, why you need to study the refraction? The question was started from here. Yes or no? So let me confirm one thing. When light comes to strike upon any kind of object from the sun or from the electricity bulb, they're having the certain speed, right? They're having the certain speed, and that certain speed helps to what? Mean, sorry, that certain speed are always remain constant, but when it receive our eye, yes or no, it might not able to catch up that speed, right? What I'm saying, what I'm saying. Okay, this is the glass or transparent medium. All right. Spherically we are going to talking about, but right now for the understanding of the concept, it is very easy to just take this example. All right. Okay, consider it over here. When light comes, suppose uh, let me take 100, okay, meter per second. Sorry, 100 uh, kilometer per hour. If I'm saying, then when they enter into the surface, their speed decrease to 50 kilometer per hour. When they come outside, then again their speed become what? 100 kilometer. This is the same concept. Okay. That means the sun ray has come. Acha, where it comes, as my eye is on this side. Right. This is my eye. Then this sun ray are coming from an object. Okay. Then if I'm like take this glass outside, this is a transparent medium. Then I can see this tree, but not clearly. Okay. Not clearly. When you place this glass in front of your eye, you can able to see, okay, you can able to see clearly. Yes or no? Then why? Is the speed of the light is more in a air medium, and when our eye unable to catch up that speed of the light, we need to decrease their speed. And when we need to decrease their speed, then we it might be easy to catch up the rays that are striked from an object towards, sorry, in our eye. I mean, this ray comes, but when it comes 100 kilometer per hour, my eye will not catch up. If I'm eye will not catch up, then okay, this eye only see, yeah, there is a tree. But if this ray speed is 50 kilometer per hour, then my eye will observe that speed with more properly. Then I will say, yeah, this is not only a tree, this is a mango tree. Do you get it, my point? And for this reason, we say that we having the eye problem, where the power somehow you heard from the out. Yes, definitely. Everyone you also use the glass in class as well. So, and that is one kind of that is one reason, and that is the basic reason that we are using the transparent medium to decrease the speed, to get it more properly, to catch my eye so that I am able to see very clearly. Right. And due to that reason, we have the separate character that we mentioned earlier there, which is the refraction. And refraction helps us to what? Decreasing the speed of light in a medium. And hence, I get more properly. Yeah, feel when like speed this, I'm unable to catch, but when the speed will come like this, I'm able to catch. This is the reason happening in case of light. Whether the cases is only possible due to the reflection, but when it comes to the vision power, there we need another medium, which is the refraction. Sorry, another concept or another character, which is the refraction. Right. So this is all about, okay. Um, No any problem. I'm not say everyone to see your okay. If they having the time, and this is the I think it is 9:10 or 9:15. Everyone are busy in their school. Like they're preparing for their school. No need to see. Yeah, if you are there, then just try to understand. If you have any problem, then definitely you just write your problem in the comment section. And today I'm just take like the reflection and refraction of the light, which is the most important phenomena that have not written in our book. Instead of that, we are busy with getting that what like how light razor helps to make the image. Yes or no? You have not understand why that happened. Whenever you are don't know why that happened, then you can't able to know after that phenomena, which is how mirror helps to form image. All right. Okay. So again, the same thing mean like this way. I will again take some of the question. Sorry, again explaining some of the topic which are left in human eye and the colorful world. Understand light topic and human eye and the colorful world are the same topic, right? They are the same topic. Fine, but there is a little bit different. Due to this, we have the separate. You know, I mean, in our book they mention in separate. Otherwise, if the eye also depend upon the light, and when it depend upon the light, then the eye also feel the colorful world. Without light, our eye having no value. Without colorful, mean sorry, without again light, the colorful world also doesn't define. Okay, chalo. All these phenomena happening due to the region of reflection and refraction. Okay. Then after electricity, which is another important topic, everyone worry about it. I will take this same topic in the evening time. And magnetic effect of electric current, though electric topic and the magnetic effect of electric current are the same thing. You should know how light and human eye, right? Then after the source of energy, which is basically it is where we get it from. Yes or no? Mean I want to conclude the same thing right now. Source of energy mean somehow we are directly or indirectly depend upon the sun. All right. Yes or no? Our sun is the universe boss. Mean our uh, okay solar system. Or yeah, in our planet, sun is the sun having the energy, and he trying to express his energy in a different way, making food, able to see the object. Yes or no? Maintaining the climatic conditions. All right. Providing the rain as well. Even after we having a beautiful yes, yes, yes. Heredity. Heredity. Great. Okay, I will explaining everything, but I want you all to like just inform your every friends to understand more precisely with what I mean. It is not key. We are not going. We are not here to prepare the rocket. We are here to understand why I'm just going to reading or learning this topic in our science book. Okay, this is our motto, and here is to prove science is not for specific one, it is for everyone, right? Not only the topper are able to getting the well mark, we also there to achieve if you score well, right? And in that way we are trying to understand every topic more precisely and properly. One by one I will take and hope to cover every kind of like basic concept before your board exam. I mean the 10th class exam that will going to conduct in February 17th. Right. Okay. So thank you for all to watch this session, and now this is the time to go my office as well, and let me wind up this topic right now, this session right now, and we will again take this same, okay, human eye and the colorful world in the evening. Okay. So bye to everyone. Okay.